So, wood badge is, for me, the best thing that ever happened to me in scouting. Because it is an 8-day ordeal, which you have to follow. You have to sacrifice everything. And when I took up the wood badge, I am not the mayor of Masin at the time, because our course leader, Mr. Bilagma, said that there is no supervisor in this training. There is no mayor. He insulted me before I even crawl the yoke, no? Insulto na ko ni Mr. Pat Bilagma. Pero yun na nagulaan. Mayor, mau gitu din may tabo. Nga ma-insulto yun. No problem for me. Because I have been insulted by my political opponents. So no problem with me, no? Because I'm used to it. No? So, our BTC graduates, we cannot divulge everything because it's illegal. No? But you can undergo pleasant and unpleasant memories, which you can recall in such wood badge unions or any gathering.